Today we are going to prepare mint drink. It's a green drink, healthy as always. Now these are the ingredients. We have banana, celery stem, piece of lemon, a kiwi, a green apple, ginger, mint leaves and rubber. To begin with, put mint leaves in the blender.
Apple with the skin.
Cut apple into say 1-inch size pieces, including the skin. So,
why? What's for?
Because you are using the skin of the apple, you must wash it thoroughly. The reason is that usually apples available in the supermarkets have been put in freezers or cold rooms, and in this process they cover it with a skin of paraffin or something similar to that. So you have to wash the chemical away before using skin. Now peel off the kiwi and add into the blender. Peel the skin off of the ginger, cut into sizable pieces similar to 1-inch, half-inch, and put it in the blender. Drinking fruits rather than eating gives you one benefit, that usually sour food, the strong acids in them can decay your teeth. Especially old people, when they don't have strong teeth, it's better to drink the fruit rather than eating.
Now I put a little banana because I don't want to put the honey.
We add banana to give the sugary taste, sweet taste, instead of adding sugar. We do not recommend to add sugar because sugar nowadays many people, including young, have sugar problems. In case you have to use sugar, you can use cane sugar. Now add laban, whole bottles, into the blender. Now the blender is ready for blending. Blend. Now the drink is ready. You can add into 2 glass jars. That is the finished